Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Sarah. A few people have asked for a tutorial on this card that I did. For that one, obviously I've used the Weekender, so I used the toucan, the Birds of Paradise, the retro suitcase, and then from the club dies I used the large die of the month for the foliage. And then also I've used the stamp and dies for this one. So there's the stamps and the dies will cut these out. Okay, so that's that one. And then I thought I had to use one of the cute little foxies. So for this one, basically the same, but all I brought in was the Trailside Trio, the camp days for his outfit, and the happy birthdays from this set, and then obviously the jungle cat from the Weekender. So that's what I used on that one. As you can see, stands up and it folds flat and goes into an A2 card. So we've got those two there, and then I've got all the bits and pieces ready. So we need the Birds of Paradise, you need the Hula Girl and the torches, that's from obviously this month's crate. You need the stamps and you need the signs and the signposts, and that's the foliage what we're going to use as well, and of course the suitcase. So make the suitcase up, so we'll cut all the dies out, which gives you this. And then what you need to do is that largest die, you need to cut two more. So cut just two of those. Okay, and then we've got all our bits and pieces. I didn't think you want to see me sit there cutting it all out. So next thing you need 4 pieces of cardstock, which are 2 1/4 tall by 2. Grab your scoreboard, really easy. I've scored 2 already. So on the 2-inch side, you're going to score at 1/2 inch, 1 and 1 1/2 on all 4 pieces. So 1/2 inch, 1 inch, 1 1/2. That's it. Okay. And literally you're going to concertina fold them, so you end up with a little W. So fold the first one back, then on itself, and then back again. Itself. That's it. Alright, so I'm going to take the front, and all we're going to do is stick these on. So grab some glue, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the fold on the inside. So basically what you want it to stick like that. Okay, you see that? So if we glue on here, you can see that. The same on that side. Okay, and then take the second one of your back pieces that you've cut out. Glue on the springs. Fold it down and just line it up. Okay, so you end up with that little spring, and do exactly the same on the back panel. So what I'm doing is just where it starts to curve round, I'm lining it up there so that you get a little bit of overhang. That glue off of there. Glue this. And then line it up. So you want all 3 layers all lined up together. Put that one in and line it up. You can put it on the desk if it makes it easier to line up. And there you go. So there's your actual, and your handle back. So there's your actual box card. So that's what you end up with. And then it is literally a case of just decorating it. So with the Birds of Paradise leaves, the next thing I wanted to just quickly say, if you're putting it in an A2 card, just be mindful that when you're sticking your leaves in, that you don't go over the 5.5 mark. So I'm going to stick this one in first. And don't come too far out. So that's 5.5. That's perfect. Okay. So now I know that I can go maybe that much over on that. Glue on your leaves. Got 3 leaves to go on the back. Okay, with the signpost I doubled it up so it's quite thick, and this time we're going to use the hula lady, so I'm going to put her in there on the second tier, and the same with this, I doubled up so these are quite sturdy as well. So I think what I'm going to do is put these on first. You can just pinch the card shut and get them where you want. Okay. Then I think we're going to add her in. We want her about there. Just going to glue her legs. And then we've got some more foliage, which I think I put on the back. Too much glue. Okay, got that. Then I've got some leaves to go on the front, so I'm just going to stick these together first. Okay. And then we've got our signpost. So the reason I'm going to do this last is then I know how tall I can have it so that you can see. So I put it quite near the top. And then we're going to stick that in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add glue on the back of these and on the stem, on the post, and then that way it can stick on the leaves as well. And she can read it above her head. If I'm in. And just arrange it how you want. And there you go. So there's our little box, what folds up flat to go in an A2 envelope. So I hope you enjoyed the little tutorial, and there's 3 different versions now that you can have a little play with. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.